to be here, and today I'm coming at you guys with a new video. And in this video I wanted to do, because I promised you guys that I would do a look for each of the J.Hill palettes that came out in her Vault collection. So in this video we did go ahead and do a look with the, I think it's the Berry Bliss palette. If that's not right, it'll be scrolling somewhere, and everything that I use will be down in the description box below. Yeah guys, I'm not going to do too much rambling. If you guys are interested in this look, oh, and if you also are interested in this hair, there is a full review on, well, it's a review slash tutorial on the hair and how I achieved the look. So be on the lookout for that. It might be up before this video. If it is, it will be scrolling, or it will be a card there for you guys to go ahead and click on it after you watch this video. But yeah guys, let's go ahead and jump right into this fall look, because it's almost fall. We're in September, so that means it's almost Libra season. Ow! But anyway, let's just go ahead and jump right into the video. smoky fall purple look. I'm gonna pay for this tomorrow because if you guys have been rocking with me for a while, you know that I am allergic to purple eyeshadows. But I keep gravitating back towards them because it's just so pretty. But yeah, this is a very bold, smoky eye for fall. Like I said, it is September. I think fall starts September 20th or something like that. So it's almost that time. So I just wanted to come and do one video for you guys. Again, if you're interested in the hair, there will be a video on the hair. If it's not already up, it will be coming very soon. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you like what you saw, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you have not clicked on the notification bell, please go ahead and hit that notification bell. It makes a difference so that you guys know that I have uploaded. I know sometimes YouTube doesn't even tell you when your people have uploaded, so go ahead and hit that notification bell so you guys can see it. And in the meantime, in between time, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.